Now it might get boring if you keep having sweet corn cold from the can. So to really spice things up, you can really make it sweet and spicy by following this super simple recipe. So you want to start by heating up some butter and let that get nice and molten. Then once hot, add in your cumin seeds and then let that get nice and toasted. And if you want a bit of spice, go ahead and add in your green chilies. Get that nicely sauteed as well. If you're using spicy chilies at this point, you're gonna start sneezing. Then once that is nice and fragrant, add in your corns. Try not to add any of the water from the can, but a bit is fine. It's just gonna help keep those corns moist and not dry out the juices. To make this recipe vegan, by the way, you can just omit the butter and use your favorite vegan oil. Then just let that come up to a simmer, let that get nice and hot. Season it with a bit of salt and pepper as per your taste, and that's it. You can just enjoy, kick back, and just have spoonfuls of this delicious sweet and spicy corn. Growing up, one of my favorite snacks was just enjoying a can of sweet corn, especially by Green Giant. I don't know why, I just liked the character that's on the can, or that's all I've had for sweet corn all my life. So if you give me another can, I probably will not have it unless it's Green Giant. And that's how I like to enjoy a really simple and healthy snack. Did you have any snacks growing up which you still have sometimes to this date? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.